last qualifying day. We got 3 rounds of qualifying, so super excited to get an A to B pass, go back to our old ways, how we operate the car.
Full speed overload, cold eyes control mode, go trim dark dome, king seat full throne, every move my own, build it stone by stone, fast drive.
Yes sir, we just got the drive shaft out. We're in the process of removing the transfer case, drop the transmission down.
Obvious stuff, no love, diamond life, too tough, fast lane, that's enough, respect, no fluff, obvious stuff, cool game, all in, no shame, no love, just aim, power, my flame, dark glass, no face, sharp line, my space, every plan I ace, every loss erase, deep grind all night, money clean spotlight, trap drum ignite, new hide in sight, loyal ones we trust, no tug just dust, fast minded just, in cold we must, Mafia style, no bluff, diamond life, too tough, fast lane, that's enough, respect, no fluff, Mafia style, cold game, all wins, no shame, no love, just aim, power, my flame.
Alright guys, we're back at the workshop at Beamer Hill Roselle Park with our Shop 340. We completed our first Texas 2K event. It was a great experience, met so many people. We had so much support at the track. We're grateful for it. We came to the track with a whole new setup. This car was a rolling chassis about 20 days before the event. We had some growing pains in the beginning trying to launch the car. We made some adjustments. We had the car final tuned too late at the end of the event. We were able to get a 8.5 second pass. We're here back at the workshop. We're just doing basic maintenance, safety check, tune in, watch this baby go low 8s, maybe some 7s. And I see you on the next video.